The U.S. reached 1 million COVID deaths this week, and that is according to death certificates from the CDC. The first person to die of COVID in the country lived in Santa Clara County.
That's the county that really was at the forefront of controversial COVID mitigation measures. Crown 4's Rob Nesbitt reports on how the public health director there says the nation would be in a better place had other areas followed her lead.
The country's first known COVID death happened in Santa Clara County on February 6, 2020. It caused the public health department here to do a lot of firsts, and why Dr. Cody continues to recommend precautions. For more than 2 years, the COVID statistics have been daunting. This week, the CDC confirmed that 1 million people in the U.S. have died from the virus.
It is very difficult to comprehend.
Dr. Sarah Cody says the restrictions she put in place at the beginning of the pandemic helped Santa Clara County avoid a high mortality rate and something others should have learned from.
If other communities had fared as well as we have, relatively speaking, hundreds of thousands of people would still be alive in the United States. Hundreds of thousands.
She says Santa Clara County didn't just have stricter rules, but ones that most residents followed, keeping the death toll to 2,281 people as of Wednesday.
Really, this region has, at every turn really stepped up, from sheltering in their homes at the beginning of the pandemic when we had really no other tools available, to stepping up and getting vaccinated, to wearing their masks.
She says the current rise in COVID cases is due to a subvariant of Omicron that spreads more easily than Omicron. The number of positive cases being reported aren't as high as the January surge, but Dr. Cody continues to stress the importance of being up to date with vaccinations, testing when sick, and masking indoors.
That none of these layers are 100%. None of them are perfect, and that's why you have to use many of them together.
Dr. Cody says though Santa Clara County's mortality rate is lower than most other counties, there were more COVID deaths here last year than all other infectious disease deaths combined over the last decade. In San Jose, I'm Rob Nesbitt.